Supreme Court Justice Samuel Alito is sad, folks. He's sad and mad a little bit that people are questioning the integrity of this Supreme Court, which, according to him in an interview with the Wall Street Journal this week, apparently that's something you're not allowed to do. You cannot question the integrity and the validity of the United States Supreme Court. That, he says, is overstepping. Here's what he said. It goes without saying that everyone is free to express disagreement with our decisions and to criticize our reasoning as they see fit. But saying or implying that the court is becoming an illegitimate institution or questioning our integrity crosses an important line. No, it doesn't. And I love how you're like, listen, you can call us idiots if you want. You can argue that we ruled wrong or used incorrect reasoning. But don't you dare say that we're not valid or that we've lost our integrity. How dare you do that? You're crossing a dangerous line. No, we're not. Right now, support and approval of the United States Supreme Court is at an all-time low here in the United States because of people like Sam Alito. You have been a very loyal partisan hack doing every single thing that the Republicans wanted you to do, because that is who you are and that is what you do. Same thing with Clarence Thomas. Same thing with Brett Kavanaugh. Same thing with Amy Barrett. And same thing, of course, with Neil Gorsuch. Y'all are the reason, by the way, that people are questioning the integrity of the United States Supreme Court, why they're questioning your own validity. And that is why you're mad. Not because people view the court as illegitimate anymore, but because people see through your schemes. That's what's pissing you off. It used to be back in the day, obviously, everybody knew the Supreme Court had different majorities, right? We knew who the conservatives were. We knew who the liberals were. But we weren't getting a whole lot of, real life changing rulings coming out of there. Every couple of years we would, right? We'd get a Citizens United. We'd get a McCutcheon. But then they'd turn around, of course, and also say, okay, well, you can keep Obamacare. But that's when we had a 5-4 court. Now that this court is so lopsided, we are seeing blatant political decisions coming out of that court. And people understand that now. They know that these conservatives like Alito are not following the rule of law. They're following a political party's talking points. And they're turning those into legal decisions. That's what's eroding trust in the Supreme Court, Sam. And you know that because you're a part of it. You're helping this happen. You're just mad that everybody can see right through what you're doing now, and you can't hide behind those other decisions because, oh, well, yeah, we did a bad thing here, but then a good thing happened here. There are no good things anymore. Conservatives have packed the court, effectively stolen 2 seats under Mitch McConnell's own rules, and that's the reason we have the court the way it is today. It is a joke. It is a sham. And Democrats need to get busy passing their legislation to do something about this wholly partisan court that continues to operate based on politics, not the rule of law. I know what a lot of you out there are thinking. You're thinking, wouldn't it be amazing if you could wear the Ring of Fire logo across your chest? Well, now you can. Just head on over to our Teespring page to find some awesome merch we're offering for our viewers. We have more designs that are going to be added in the near future, so just follow the link in the description or take a peek at the shelf of merchandise under this video. Thanks for watching.